How's it going? Big Sexy here, and I got a bone here from PetSmart for Little Sexy for Christmas. And we're going to do a little review and see what Little Sexy thinks about it. You know, I don't know, looks pretty big for his mouth, but you know, he does have a big mouth. We'll give it a shot anyway. What's going on? What do we got here, Little Sexy? You want to try that, don't you? Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see. Oh, look at that. What? What do you think? What do you think? Is it a good one? Oh! Yeah, no, what? Go ahead, take it. I don't think he's giving it a... Oh, wait. Go ahead. You got nothing else. You want to lick it instead? Here. You want that? Go get it. What do you say? Pretty good?